Before buying an iPad mini 7, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Alun Screen Protector. First up, we've got the Alun Screen Protector for the iPad mini 7. At just $7.89, this screen protector caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 141,700 reviews. If you want to keep your iPad display pristine while ensuring maximum protection, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This protector features a 2.5D edge design that enhances the gliding experience and reduces fingerprints with its oliphobic coating. So if you're worried about scratches, dust, or accidental drops, this tempered glass will keep your screen safe without sacrificing clarity. It's designed for both the Mini 6 and Mini 7, ensuring compatibility with the latest models. Now, some people complained about installation issues, saying it was tricky to align perfectly. Here's the thing though, with a bit of patience and careful dust removal beforehand, it can be a breeze to apply, and once it's on, you won't even notice it's there. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable way to protect your iPad mini while maintaining the display's quality. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features like blue light filtering, but for under $8, it's great value for the protection it offers. Now, if the installation process concerns you, the next option might have a more straightforward approach to convenience. Product number 2, Anker Lightning Cable. Next up is the Anker 6 FT Premium Double-Braided Nylon Lightning Cable, priced at $24.99. This one really caught my attention because it boasts an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 113,100 reviewers. If you're tired of flimsy cables and want something durable, this is worth considering. Plus, the 6 FT length means you can comfortably use your device while it's charging, whether you're lounging or multitasking. Now, some users pointed out that the cable can be a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, that stiffness is what adds to its durability, so while it might take a little getting used to, it's built to last. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, long-lasting cable that can handle your daily charging needs. Skip this one if you prefer a more flexible cable for easier storage, but if you want quality, this is a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for anyone looking for an iPad mini itself. Product number 3, Apple iPad mini 6 Renewed. Now let's talk about the Apple 2021 iPad mini 6, available for $318.99 renewed. It's got a solid 4.4-star rating from over 2,000 reviews, making it a reliable choice. If you want a well-rounded tablet experience, this one might be for you. The 12MP wide back and ultra-wide front cameras with center stage are perfect for video calls, making you look great while staying connected. Plus, with up to 10 hours of battery life, you can use it all day without worrying about recharging. Now, some users mention that as a renewed product, it might not come in pristine condition. Here's the thing though, you can often get a high-quality device at a fraction of the price, and Apple's refurbishing process ensures that it works like new. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful tablet that excels in performance and portability. Skip this one if you're set on the latest model, but it offers incredible value for a renewed device. Now, if you're looking for added protection for your iPad mini, the next product has you covered. Product number 4, ZUGU Slim Protective Cover. For our fourth pick, we have the ZUGU Slim Protective Cover priced at $47.99. With a 4.8-star rating from 4,000 reviews, this case really caught my interest. If you want a stylish yet functional case, this one is definitely worth checking out. This is perfect for you if you want protection without compromising on aesthetics. It has a magnetic stand with 7 angles, making it perfect for anything from watching videos to working on projects. Plus, it's compatible with the Apple Pencil, so you can charge it wirelessly. Now, some users found the price a bit high compared to other cases. Here's the thing though, with the premium protection and features, you're investing in a product that could save you money in repairs down the line. This is perfect for you if you want a protective, stylish case that enhances your iPad mini experience. Skip this one if you just need a basic sleeve, but it's a great investment for frequent users. Now, if you're looking for an even more affordable option with solid performance, check out our last product. Product number 5, Apple iPad Mini 5 Renewed. Finally, we have the Apple iPad Mini 5 available for $199. This one stands out with a 4.4-star rating from 3,600 reviews. If you're searching for a budget-friendly option that still delivers quality, this could be your best bet. Why this matters for you: with a 7.9-inch Retina display and the A12 Bionic chip, you're getting a solid performance for everyday tasks. The Touch ID sensor adds an extra layer of security, and with an 8MP rear camera and 7MP FaceTime HD front camera, it's great for casual photography and video calls. Now, some reviewers mentioned that it might feel a bit dated compared to newer models. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a reliable iPad for browsing, streaming, and light productivity, this one still holds up quite well. This is perfect for you if you want a good balance between performance and price. Skip this one if you need the latest technology, but for less than $200, it's a fantastic deal. So there you have it. We've covered a great range of options from protective accessories to the iPad mini devices themselves. To summarize, we explored different options for the iPad Mini 7. The A-Lun screen protector for durability, the Anker lightning cable for longevity, the renewed Apple iPad Mini 6 for performance, the ZUGU slim protective cover for style and protection, and the budget-friendly Apple iPad Mini 5. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that best fits your needs.